Hello everyone and welcome to WERMZ Energy, where solar power meets innovation and expertise. We are dedicated to shining a light on sustainable energy solutions and solar installation best practices. With a passion for empowering with knowledge and insights, our mission is to help you harness the sun's energy and illuminate a brighter future. Join me on this journey as we explore the world of solar energy and unlock its full potential. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You, subscribe and share. Yes, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.